Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you several Oreo inspired products that I designed over the past few weeks. This idea actually started about 2 years ago when I made a Oreo container for my desk, but I designed that and I made it and I put it aside. But when I started making YouTube videos, I wanted to expand on that idea, and I actually made 7 different products using different materials and methods. I tried mold making here, and we will see how that went. So let's get going. So the first product is what started this whole project, the Oreo container. So it can take up to 5 or 6 Oreos. You can have it on your desk and you open it up. It has a rotating function as you see here, and you take the cookies out and you can close it. The next product is also a very simple one. It's a sticky note holder for your desk. It is inspired by Oreos. It's a large size Oreo basically. For this one I actually decided to use PETG instead of PLA for the material for 3D printing, which is a little bit more heat resistant, and you can actually use the lid as a coaster on your desk as well. So it looks like we are going in the category of work and office related products. One of the other simple products that I designed is a tape measure. It's obviously shaped like an Oreo based on the title of this video, and it has a button here that you can retract the tape measure. For this one, it actually took a lot of trial and error and a lot of measurement taking and prototyping and printing the product in different orientation to get it right. It's an AirPod Pro case that I designed, so it opens like this. It's not as practical as I wanted it to be. Like, it's nice and like it's good to have it on your desk, but it's not like an everyday carry that you can have in your pocket because of just the shape of it and how chunky it is. One of the components that I had laying around was the LED kit from Bamboo Lab, and I never got to actually use it in one of my projects, so I thought it might be a good idea to just make an Oreo light, right? So I designed around measurement of this product. You can purchase it from Bamboo Lab's website and also make your own light. So the final product, obviously Oreo inspired light. You insert the LED from the bottom. It has 2-layer wall thickness around here, so it diffuses the light very nicely, and you can have it as an ambient light on your desk, or you can have it on your shelf. The next product, I actually wanted to try 2 different things. One was making a silicone mold and also using that silicone mold to make candles. So for the first try, I designed and made these small cookies and the cream, and I made a container for it, and I made a silicone mold. Everything was good until I started making the candles. The details on these cookies were too small, and a lot of them were broken in the mold, so I couldn't use the candles out of this, so I had to redesign it, and I made a larger version, almost triple the size, and this one came out a lot better, and this is the final product. Last one is actually the hardest one and the most challenging one in terms of making the mechanism and making everything work together. I always wanted to have a candy dispenser on my desk, so I decided to make that, obviously based on Oreo inspired design. So I wanted to make a spring loaded design, but instead of using springs I decided to use magnets and use the same size of magnets. So like basically when you press this, it goes back. And I also have candies inside this, so they come down when you press this, and they line up, and there's a hole inside here, and basically it opens up and the candies go down. It's a three-part design. The whole mechanism is in this middle part. The top part is the container, and the bottom part is just a route for the candies to come down. Like you can load it from the top here. um, yeah, it looks simple right now, but it took a lot of trial and error, different sizes, to make it work. I'm very happy with the final result, and I can have my own candy dispenser on my desk, or you can actually have pills inside here, or mints or anything like that. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. As promised, I have included the links to the products that I use for every single product. I also included the 3D print files in the description, so you can download them and make your own versions of it. Let me know if you want me to modify any of them, and also let me know which ones you liked and you're going to make for yourself. So make sure you subscribe to see the next video when it comes out. And if you like this video, please make sure to like it and leave me some feedback. Thank you so much, and see you next time.